You are now watching Hi-Tutor.
Hey, sit down. No running around the pool.
Hi, Tutor. Thank you for that last lesson on the introduction to personal income tax. As you promised, we will dive deeper into each part of income tax in detail. Kindly take us through today's lesson.
As promised, we will take the whole income tax topic and dice it into smaller chunks so you can understand how each piece fits in. The focus of this lesson is calculating taxable income. This is the basis of everything. From what we have seen in past exams, it is normally the first calculation you will face, unless of course they give you the taxable income already. Taxable income is simply the amount, or base amount, that SARS uses to calculate your tax amount. In short, taxable income is calculated by taking your gross income minus tax deductibles. Now, let's start with gross income. For most of us, we will end up getting a job. When you get a job, they will say, "We will pay you 20,000 Rand per month." That 20,000 Rand is your gross income, as it is your income before any tax, pension fund, UIF, or union contributions have been deducted. Just a heads up, when you get your first job and they say your salary is 20,000 Rand or 50,000 Rand, just know your take-home pay, your net salary, will be less than that. Gross income includes the salary we just spoke about, any overtime income, and bonuses. I doubt you'll have any difficulties calculating the gross income amount.
That's hectic. I thought if they said I would earn 20,000 Rand, then the full amount would be deposited into my bank account. It seems I am into a world of shock. Now that we have the gross income, what happens next?
Yep, you are in for a shock. It's a hard knock life after school. In a simple world, we would just take your gross income and multiply it by a flat percentage, like 10%, and that would be your tax. Oh boy, South Africa is a complex one. A flat tax rate will not work at all. We can discuss the complexities in the live chat if you want more information on why that is the case. From your gross income, you are allowed to reduce that base amount, the taxable income, that will be used to calculate your tax. You cannot just reduce your taxable income with anything you want, but only what has been allowed. Hence, there is a list of tax deductibles like pension contributions and UIF. Let's start with pension contribution as a deductible. As we speak today, there are a lot more people receiving SASSA grants than those paying tax, and this is a time bomb idling to explode. The government needs most of us to look after ourselves and not depend on SASSA grants when we retire, hence the tax deduction. Currently, the SASSA monthly income is 2,310 Rand, and for most people, that is not enough. So save, save, save towards your pension. Now let's look at UIF. Unemployment is a serious problem in South Africa, and the last thing you'd wish on anyone is to experience the queuing in the unemployment lines. While you are working, the government encourages you to contribute to the UIF fund so that if the day comes where you cannot work, you will still earn some income while looking for another job. In a nutshell, the government requests that you sacrifice some cash today in case you retire or lose your job. You are protecting yourself so you do not depend on the government when you retire or lose a job. Because this is income you are sacrificing, it is only fair that it is not taxed, hence it is tax deductible. Just a step back. You have your gross income, salary, bonus, and overtime, minus tax deductibles, pension contributions, and UIF, and you will get taxable income. This is the amount SARS will use to calculate your tax, as per the tax tables.
Interesting that the government cares and encourages its people to save and not depend on SASSA money. I once saw a past exam question that simply said there is a UIF contribution, but no amount was given. How will I answer that? Also, is there a limit to the pension fund amount that is deductible?
Good question.
Hope you're enjoying the lesson. To keep bringing you top quality content and the best tutors, the full version is available for our paid users. Creating these lessons takes a lot of time and resources, so you can support us by purchasing credits. It's quick, easy, and gets you full access to every lesson we offer. See you on the inside.